Today I want to share my absolute best tips for making IKEA look more expensive. Designers have been doing these things for years and I want to share these tips with you, so let's jump right in. One of the biggest secrets to making IKEA look expensive is repetition. IKEA often uses repetition in their own brand photography to create a polished and cohesive look. And this trick works especially well with storage pieces like credenzas, bookcases, and bookshelves. But it can also apply to many more elements as well, like for example, repeating baskets, lighting, and so on. Designers use this trick all the time because repetition creates balance, cohesion, and a sense of intentionality in a space. Okay, this next one is probably one of the most viral hacks out there for making IKEA look really high-end. And it's basically turning IKEA furniture into built-ins. Freestanding furniture often looks a bit disconnected, while built-ins add seamless sophistication and visual impact. Check out what Lauren and Cam from the LKS address did. They took these 4 billies and created the library of their dreams. There are thousands of examples online of people creating amazing built-ins using IKEA furniture as a base. The Billy bookcases are probably the most common go-to for this kind of transformation. Other popular IKEA storage options to hack into built-ins include the Pax wardrobes, Besta units, and the Havsted units, which are what I have behind me here. IKEA on its own can be a little bare bones, but it gives you a great foundation. The most obvious tips when you're customizing are, of course, to swap out hardware and to paint. But don't underestimate the impact of these things. A fresh coat of paint can completely change the personality of a piece, and upgrading hardware can add a level of sophistication that makes even the most basic IKEA item look custom and high-end. If you're feeling a little more brave, adding trim to your IKEA furniture can completely transform its look, making it appear a lot more expensive. By attaching simple molding or decorative trim to pieces like bookcases, cabinets, or dressers, you can create the illusion of really high-quality craftsmanship. This small change adds depth and dimension, and it instantly elevates the aesthetic. It's really not that hard, and it gives you a massive bang for your buck. And one final customization tip is to get custom upholstery covers. If you have an IKEA sofa or chair, swapping out the stock cover for a high-quality custom slipcover can make a huge difference. Companies like Bems and ComfortWorks and a bunch of independent sellers on Etsy offer tailored covers for IKEA furniture in a variety of really gorgeous fabrics, from linen to velvet, in a ton of different color options. This gives you more design flexibility to match other elements in your space, and it also helps your furniture look more unique and expensive. Instead of letting a simple IKEA piece define your space, shift the focus to more eye-catching elements. For example, if you have basic IKEA nightstands, consider layering in beautiful bedding to make the bed the main attraction. Pile on pillows, textured throws, and crisp linens, or whatever duvet excites you most to create a luxurious feel that naturally diverts attention away from the basic nightstand. Or let's say you have a simple IKEA dining table, then consider investing in some statement dining chairs to add personality and elevate the overall look. The goal is to create visual distractions and interesting focal points, while allowing those more basic pieces to fade into the background. A lot of IKEA's furniture is made out of materials like particle board and has laminated surfaces. And when you have too many laminate and particle board pieces in one room, you can end up with a sterile, kind of dorm-like or bachelor pad look. And that's where wood comes in to save the day. Natural wood creates warmth and richness, making the space feel more inviting and sophisticated. Adding elements like wooden picture frames, trays, bowls, or even a wooden sculpture of some sort can help to introduce warmth and texture, and can help to balance out the plainness of IKEA pieces. And you absolutely do not need to spend a lot of money to buy solid wood if you shop secondhand. One of the best ways to avoid kind of the cookie cutter IKEA look is to mix in vintage finds, thrifted pieces, and handmade items. This creates a layered, curated aesthetic that feels a lot more personal. Adding vintage or thrifted pieces alongside your IKEA furniture helps break up that overly uniform look and adds character to your space. Handmade elements are another fantastic way to add depth. Think woven baskets, artisanal pottery, or custom textiles. These elements not only personalize your space, but they make it feel more thoughtful and high-end. Blending different materials and styles is what truly makes a space feel intentional. The contrast between IKEA pieces and more organic, one-of-a-kind finds is really what's gonna help give your home that curated designer look. Lighting is a game changer when it comes to elevating an IKEA-based design. Now, you definitely want to layer your light sources. You've probably heard that before. But another tip is to upgrade to statement or more designer lighting if you can. A sculptural pendant or a unique table lamp can instantly elevate a space and make you forget that the rest of the room is IKEA. High-end lighting acts as a focal point, drawing the eye and making everything around it feel more curated. If your space is feeling a little flat, then one of the easiest ways to breathe life into it is with plants and fresh flowers. Greenery instantly softens a room, making it feel more inviting and a lot less sterile. Plus, plants add a natural contrast to IKEA's simpler lines, helping to create a more layered look. For a high-end feel, try placing a large statement plant in an oversized pot. Choose a plant with bold, sculptural leaves to create a natural focal point that adds both height and texture to the space. Fresh flowers are another game changer. A well-arranged bouquet in a stylish vase with a candle or two next to it can instantly elevate even the simplest IKEA dining table, entry console, or nightstand. You can try using elegant blooms such as peonies, hydrangeas, or tulips for a super sophisticated look. If you're stuck with an IKEA heavy room and you're not sure what to do, send me a picture via Instagram and I will try to help you out with some suggestions. And that's it. See you next time. Bye!